Hi everybody, this is the video presentation for the Lesson Concentration Group project. Our topic was axile movement. Here we have the content standards met by this lesson. We go down a little bit, we have the lesson objectives, materials, multiple intelligences being met. We also have the strategies to meet for diversified learners. And then here is where we get into the actual lesson plan. And here is where we're going to start the lesson. So we're going to start out with reading Stretch by Doreen Corin and Scott Mention. Once the book is completed, we're going to hold up a picture of a cat running and a picture of a cat stretching. Ask the students what the cat is doing in both of the pictures and explain to them that the cat stretching is axile movement and the cat running is locomotor movement. Once we discuss the difference between axile movement and locomotor movement, we're going to go ahead and place paper plates on the ground, evenly disperse them throughout the gymnasium, and then have the students stand behind the paper plates. Students will be instructed to stay in their personal space, and they're going to be performing axile movements. And then if we scroll down a little bit more, then we'll be calling out objects for the students to imitate. They'll be imitating these objects by performing axile movements. As these students are performing their axile movements, the instructor will be walking around with the grading rubric. During this time, the instructor will also be asking students to identify body parts that are being moved while they are performing the axile movements. The grading rubric will be completed at this time by the instructor for each of the students. Here are some of the resources that were used during this lesson. Here's a picture of the cat stretching and the cat running. Then here is a YouTube video for the book Stretch. Here is a copy of the grading rubric that will be used for this lesson. And here is a quick clip of what the lesson might look like.
All right, can you guys show me a tree blowing in the wind? Stay in your spot. All right, good job. How about, let's see, a snake. Let me see you do a snake. You gotta stay in one spot. Stay in one spot, we're doing axle movements. All right. Okay, staying in your spot. Let me see an elephant drinking water. Bending down and coming up. Can you? All right. Stay in your spot. You got to stay in your spot. We're working on our axle movements.